Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix screen rotation not working on Samsung Galaxy A53. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. After click on general management, click on reset. Scroll down and click on reset all settings. Reset setting, enter phone pin and click on continue. Again tap on reset, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, again click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on software update. Click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.